Hello. Listen, I'm actually pretty sure that we're at the fun part now. What do I mean? Well, just because I'm vlogging this. I had a video around Halloween that I stood outside. Well, I know I've been here for October, November. It's almost Christmas now. For 3 months, I've been tearing this up, beating this up. And I said in another video, I went from confusion to confidence. Because this began with a lot of wonder, a lot of mystery. And so it's becoming more and more clear to me because I did my own demolition. I'm now meeting with somebody who is architecturally drawing up my ideas, and look at the leaves. So look at this. So these are shedding trees, and the thing is, look at all this. So those trees, they're always going to be there. Yeah, I'm going to have some shedding trees. It was $2,300 to have these pine trees removed. $2,300. But that was removing from the property, taking down property, bonded, insured, and then root grinding. Anybody need some pine bark? Gone. So I'm trying to get a quote for a wall. I need a wall. Might not be as long as I originally wanted. I want a sound barrier. I want privacy. This is going to be landscaped. I don't even intend for anyone to see the wall. It's just going to be maximum security, maximum sound density, maximum privacy, maximum protection. I don't know. And it seems like it's the maximum price. It's between, I know this is going to be very vague, but it's between 50 and 100 feet. I know. 50 feet can be wall. 50 feet of it can be actually high fencing, because it's going to be landscaped in front. You're not even going to see it. It's just going to make, I need my wall. And you know what? I want Mexico to pay for it. I want Mexico to pay for it. Look at my dock. Let's go inside. I'm here to begin piecing together the puzzle. Oh yes, people much more qualified than I am are going to finalize it. But I like to start the ball rolling. So I have an idea about this island. And that idea keeps getting better and better and better and better and better. Yeah, I have an idea. So, but that leaves this kitchen, right? For somebody who opened up so much space, that drop-off is the dictating force of where does the kitchen end, because we know where it begins. Luckily, in some way, this was a shower. So units can actually go back. I bought my appliances. Here's a story. I'm looking at black appliance. Samsung, GE, LG have black appliance. Bosch brand is a little more European looking, and also they can take a couple scratches and not show fingerprints. I know, I'm like living with a child.
Daringly different, infinitely beautiful. Bosch Black Stainless Steel helps guard against scratches and fingerprints. Bosch, invented for life.
All right, so here's the story. This has always been the story. This was a 3-bedroom house that I reduced to 2. I have always been told, and for the record, I would get rid of the other bathroom if I could, but I've always been told that I am affecting the resale value in the future. Now, one could say, build the house that you want, but the other part of that equation is one day you will have to step out of it. Now, let's not pretend there's not other single people, dual income, no children, another sexy bachelor. So I'm not building a home for a family of 5. That being said, I'm making very permanent decisions that could affect a resale or myself. Meaning, if you open the refrigerator where I live right now, there is a bottle of water, there's some eggs, there's nothing in there. The idea that I have a double door French ice maker, I don't use any of that. So Bosch had a very lean refrigerator. The dimensions are 6 feet tall. Single door freezer on bottom. And the other thing is, I have a dishwasher. I never wash dishes. I could not put a dishwasher in here and be quite fine, but I am putting one in. Well, Bosch had a European apartment model that is only 18 inches across. Recessed handle, 18 inches, 12, yeah. All right, so what does that mean? That means if these break and they don't make that model or the parts anymore, I'm not just replacing a dishwasher unit or a refrigerator. I have to change out the paneling, the cabinetry. So anyway, somebody would argue that this isn't the best idea. It's exactly what I'm doing. This is exactly what I'm doing. And when I purchased these, and they weren't cheap, it gave me specific dimensions and depth and sizes that I can now start carving out the calculation of where goes what goes where. I got 11 feet by 8 to play with. You know, I actually see it. It is very clear to me now. I say that because at one time it wasn't. It's very clear to me. I've actually decided to embrace the sunken living room by bringing the island case. You want to see my idea? So it begins by opening the window on the left-hand side. And then I'm going to incorporate the sunken living room drop by bringing the island case all the way down. On this side, there'll be bar stools. On the other side, there'll be chairs, a lower table that comes all the way out, and then the entire back panel in a series of black wood walnut is just an entire panel of cabinetry with the oven, range, microwave, and refrigerators seamlessly all in there. Fireplace black, repeat the pattern of the cabinetry on the back wall. The entire floor done in large white, no grout tile. And yeah, a lot more. If it were only that easy.